on, you guys? JACObrdoty here, back from another vlog, and today we are back at GT Auto Lounge, which we've been before, but today we have something that's like right up the alley of the channel, which is a Coyote swapped 33 Roadster. So right here is the 33 Roadster that he has for sale, and it has something that sticks out right away, which is this Coyote. So it is Coyote swapped. This is I think factory 5, but I'm gonna let Greg kind of tell some of the details here. So you can just act natural and just talk about, you know, suspension stuff, chassis stuff, engine, and then kind of all the details.
Yeah, so factory 5 33 Roadster. They did do a Coyote swap with a ghost cam. It's got a T5 5-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's all tube chassis, so factory 5 always does a good job with their chassis. And then obviously you get the body and paint it up. But I think, you know, I mean, the best part of this build is it's like a go-kart. It's a really fun toy that you get in, and it's an animal.
So as far as what we can see here, there's also a lot of stuff that goes onto it because it's been built. So what are some of like the details of the build?
Yeah, so the unique part about this is it was actually built for the director of engineering at Factory 5. So this one got a lot of attention at the shop. The Coyote 5-liter, it's got the Tremec 5-speed manual. It's got the Cobra brakes on it.
Yep.
It's got a 3-link rear end with 8.8 moser.
So she's set up to scoop if you can get power to the ground.
That's right.
Got the bottom because you can kind of see, well, you can kind of see the exhaust. But you can kind of see a panhard bar, some coilovers. I don't know if you guys can really get in there, but I'll try my best. But it's pretty, I mean, it's super clean, all painted black. And you hop inside. This was something kind of unique I saw. So it's got suicide doors. So you open them up opposite, which I've never been in a car like that. I mean, I know Rolls-Royce does that. That's pretty cool. And then it's got a good tub here, door panel, carbon fiber shift knob. And you know me with my carbon fiber. You can see your instrument cluster, black and chrome. Overall, I mean, obviously it's a kit car, but the build quality on it and the finishes look really good. We can kind of see what it's like from a driver's perspective. One of the things I noticed right away, that is a Mustang pedal like my car. So that's the throttle pedal out of my car type of Mustang, so that's kind of cool. But this is your view if you're a driver. You have like a 8-inch windshield, but it works. I mean, you don't get bugs in your face, so that's all that matters. And then you have your vintage air here, some of the gauges, chrome right there. Little steering wheel with little grips behind, feels pretty cool. Definitely feels like a go-kart type of steering wheel. It's so tiny, way smaller than like my car. And you got new modern gauges. So I think the next step is we're gonna hop in it and go for a little drive and see how this thing rides around town. F12, you got sold today. That's good though.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that chin is super low. Say if you guys can't hear me, it's because there's literally this big of a windshield, so I don't even know, but you'll be able to feel and like see my reaction to it because it goes.
Yeah.
And you can just jam around and zip around. It's got plenty of power. Yeah, it's just a normal 5.0. Yeah. AED tune too.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ghost cam.
Ghost cam tune. The T5 you said's a little notchy, but that's a T5
Just gotta get warm.
Cable clutch thing.
Yep.
At the post office, dropping off a little thing there, but riding around in this thing, you get seen everywhere. It feels really weird not having seatbelts, sliding everywhere, and it has so much power, and it just toasts the tires instantly because there's no weight in this. Literally the same engine that's in my car, but half as much weight. Literally probably 2,000 pound total weight. It's all fiberglass, steel like tube frame, and that's it. This thing is ridiculous. He's gunning it.
Baby.
Whoa! She's rowdy.
She's a beast.
She's rowdy.
Right? You're the ghost
and that cam? Yeah, the ghost cam chopping.
Yeah.
Dude, the wide angle looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Got vintage air.
Oh, should we try her?
I don't know. Put it on high. That's how you try it. You just max it out. Yeah. We'll be in the front, so nothing will get kicked.
Yeah.
As I was saying while you were in there, I was saying that this is not a daily car.
No.
This is your weekender. Yeah, fair weather, weekender, go for a cruise, maybe run a few errands, but not daily driver. Although the reliability's probably there.
Oh, it's there.
Yeah, the reliability's there. It's a Coyote, modern stuff. Just comfort, I guess, creature comforts. But other than that, it's a ripper.
It's a ripper. I think so.
Jump this thing. There she is. She's a beast, man. That suicide door hopping in and out, that's different. Close her up. Woo! It's hot. That's how I describe that drive, but it was fun. Thing's a ripper. So a few videos ago I showed off this one. I think that was actually in my dyno video. This is that F12 that's like satin clear broad, but it just got sold. Going to LA. So if you guys are in the LA area and you see this specific car around, it's getting loaded up for the transport right here, and then the buyer's gonna take it, probably delivery here tonight. So
my dream spec Ferrari right there.
yeah, satin or black paint with satin.
Yeah, the Excel or whatever it is, Expel.
Expel, yeah, Expel Stealth.
With the yellow.
Shoo.
And it had carbon fiber wheels.
Yeah, the forge lines.
The forge lines, but the owner wanted the stocks. But with the forge lines, it looked crazy.
Yeah. By the way, the forge lines are my wheel bolt pattern, but they're 21s. So I can't roll that. I look like wagon wheels already. Yeah. Be adding another inch. She's getting loaded. Those forge lines Sabir and I were talking about. Carbon lip, satin black forge line. 21s though, these things are huge, but they're fat. Like these are the ones that were on that F12 that just got sold. But dude, oh, forge line is like a dream wheel, dude. I just drool over these. The guy who bought them just didn't want them. I guess he didn't like the look, but these are for sale if anybody has an F12 that wants this type of fitment, or any car that takes 5x114 21 inch. But dude, dream spec, carbon lip, satin black. Oh, I literally just can stare at them and drool at them. As you guys know, on YouTube you work with different brands and stuff, and I worked with Liquid X for a while now. I mean, I use their detailing stuff like exclusively pretty much. So I work with brands in that sense, but one of my dream brands that I'd want to work with is like Forgeline. Forgeline is insane. Every car on Instagram they put out is just beautiful. They always make it so nice, and they have like a resto mod feel, but that's not it. They also do like exotics and high-end like American cars too. I mean, basically anything, because they're custom made, but just the target audience, I guess, is resto mod guys. But now they're getting into more like exotics, but every car that Forgeline puts out pretty much looks so sick. That's just a dream brand I'd love to work with in the future. And maybe if SEMA's not canceled this year, I could talk to them, but still, those wheels are super expensive. Back at the house, and I'm editing up the video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching the video if you made it this far. I think in the future, I'll probably make a few more videos with Greg, just kind of the unique cars like this that come in through GT Auto Lounge that he sets up for sale and stuff like that. I just think it'd be kind of cool to bring them to you guys and make some content around it. This car was insane, like such a unique style and such a unique build. I've never been in a car like that. So this was like all new experience to me. Plus, it's a Coyote, so I know you guys love Coyotes, so that's why I thought it'd be a good fit. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time.